Hey guys, how's it going? We're looking at Enphase today. Ticker's ENPH. So looks like it's going up. Cool. We're gonna zoom way out, and because we're zoomed way out, I'm gonna look at the monthly. Wow, how you like that? See, if you hold these, you can just round trip and give all your money back to the market. Essentially, it's like, yeah, you know, I'm not gonna get into a whole investment philosophy right now, but there's something to be said for trading for sure. There's a reason why people try it, and there's also reasons why lots of people fail, and we'll get into that eventually. But today is not the day. So Enphase, ticker ENPH, we're going to take a look at it. Going to take a look at it on the monthly chart. So I'm going to draw a trend line. Notice price came top here. There seems to be a lot of action around here, so I'm just going to do this. It's also where we're at today, incidentally. All right, we'll make that white. And then if you look right here recently, it's kind of made a bottom. And so we're going to drag it straight across. And yeah, look at that. We had a retrace right there. So we're going to zoom in, check the weekly. And oh, look at that topping tail. Wow. In technicals, this candle right here, you can't ask for a better, like a clearer indicator that something is supposed to go down than, and it has to stay like this until Friday because it's a weekly candle that this thing is going down. Now it could easily look at the daily. It could easily just be, breaking out. We call a breakout and a retrace, which means it gets above and it likes to go back and tag for whatever reason. But on the weekly right now, it's wicking down. So sometimes you want to look at the daily chart and say, oh, we got a breakout. And you look at the weekly and you see something like this, and it's like, could be a fake out. But then you look at a weekly and you think it could be the topping tail. It should be going down. And you look at the daily and you say it could be a retrace. So I'm not going to make any moves right now because this could go either way. And honestly, you're not predicting the future with this. You're watching for signs. What is the chart telling you that it's probably going to do? And right now it's unclear. I need a weekly close for more clarity, right? So right now, as far as I know, let's do a little arrow tool. Price could go down to this 2578 level where this bottomed out, or you could be retracing and it could go up. Let's not get too crazy. It could go up to, let's say, here. All right. Let's do this one. And that would give you an increase of, you're looking at an increase of 46% versus if it goes to the downside, a decrease of 27%. So what I'm going to do is wait for the weekly close. And if this thing remains a topping tail, if it goes back down and turns into a pumpkin, if it breaks above, if you get a weekly close above, you need to, that's an indicator that you'll more likely stay above. So I got to watch the monthlies though. But for short term right now, in phase, I'm going to wait and see where we get that weekly close. All right, everybody, if you got value from this, give me a like. Friends, I know I'm talking to some of you guys out there. You've been asking me for, what I'm buying on, like, in messages and things like that. So this is part of what I'm doing. I'll go over something different, maybe not every day, but a lot of days. I'll show you what I'm doing and hope you learn some, hope you enjoy it. So with that said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for the day and trade well.